Hello again, and welcome to the second part of the video in reference to the chart of accounts and your financial reporting information and submissions on a monthly basis. In the previous video, we completed an overview of the chart of accounts for COAs and the different dimensions that fall into each of those, including accounts, departments, classes, location, and customers. In the attached document that we are about to review, you will also see a full list of the entire dimensions and the codes associated with each of those. This will be available to you within your Box Drive for future download and will also be included within this training curriculum. The first dimension is accounts. In column A, you will see the account codes listed in numerical order, beginning with 100XX. These are assets and/or cash equivalents for active bank accounts. As you scroll down and continue on, you will see sections for accounts receivable, cost of excess billing, inventory, prepaid expenses, current assets, fixed assets, goodwill and intangibles, and long-term assets, followed immediately thereafter by all the different liabilities, accounts payable, and the same, billings in excess of costs, accrued liabilities, taxes payable, wages payable, and other current liabilities, along with long-term debt, other long-term debt. Then we continue into equity, which would be preferred stock, common stock, treasury stock, paid-in capital, members' equity, retained earnings, and accumulated other comprehensive income. The next grouping is revenue. Revenue is classified as quoted work, labor, materials, subcontractors, sales discounts, and other. The next grouping is cost of revenue, which would include materials and equipment, direct labor, contract labor/contractors, other costs of revenue, followed by the grouping of operating expenses, which would be compensation and benefits, insurance, office expenses, professional fees, rent and utilities, sales and marketing, tools and other materials, and vehicle expenses, followed by other operating expenses and depreciation and amortization. The next grouping would be other income/expenses, which would fall in the category of gain or loss on the sale of assets, other income, other expenses, interest income, interest expenses, and the final grouping within this dimension is taxes, both federal, state, and other. As you continue into the other tabs, departments, classes, location, and customers, you will have this reference to you on a monthly basis as you complete all of your financial reporting for submission. Please reference these as you complete your profit and loss statement, your balance sheet, and your cash flow statement that is required to be submitted on a monthly cadence. Immediately following it on this particular document is the pro forma, both for your P&L, your balance statement, as well as your cash flow statement. This is your blank form that you can begin utilizing as you complete your fiscal years. Included within this is fiscal years 2018, and if you scroll to the right, it continues all the way through the fiscal year end of 2025. That concludes this video on the Orion chart of accounts for commercial landscaping. Please continue on with the next module as we review in more detail your submissions of your monthly financial reporting. Thank you.